Here the mechanism for the formation of hydrogen iodide from hydrogen and iodine is given in 3 steps. Out of these 3, these 2 are the fast and reversible, and the third one is the slowest, which is nothing but our rate determining step. So from this mechanism we need to write down the rate equation for this reaction. So the rate equation according to the slowest step becomes like this: R is equal to K into concentration of IH2 into concentration of I. So as this is not there in our options, we need to convert in terms of these two expressions. We need to convert into another form based on these 2 steps. So from equation 1 or the step 1, which is a fast as well as reversible process, we can write the equilibrium constant K1 as equal to concentration of I square upon concentration of I2. And as we require I here, so we can rearrange to get I square as equal to K1 into concentration of I2. And from this we will get I as equal to K1 to the power of half and I2 to the power of half. So that is our K1. So that is our concentration of I. Then from the step 2, which is again a fast and reversible process, we can write the equilibrium constant K2 as equal to concentration of IH2 upon concentration of I into concentration of H2. And again, as we require IH2 here, we can rearrange this IH2 as equal to K2 into concentration of I, which is nothing but this expression. So into K1 to the power of half into I2 to the power of half multiplied by the concentration of H2. So now by substituting the term equal to concentration of IH2 and the concentration of I in this particular expression, we will get our final answer. And it is like this. So now R is equal to K into concentration of IH2 means this one, K2 into K1 to the power of half into I2 to the power of half into concentration of H2 multiplied by concentration of I, which is this one, that is K1 to the power of half into concentration of I2 to the power of half. Of course, K1 to the power of half becomes K1 totally. So now K into K2 into K1, that we can simply write it as K dash, and this is H2, this I2 to the power of half and this I2 to the power of half, it becomes equal to I2. So our final expression is rate is equal to K dash into concentration of H2 into concentration of I2, and that is there in our option C.